Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Leo. I will be doing this reading for four signs: Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces and Scorpio, as they got the most views for the last readings that I uploaded. So yeah, this one is going to be for the sign of Leo. We will also take message cards from your person. We will also pull out oracle cards as well in this reading, so stay tuned. And the topic of the reading is going to be, will they propose you? Whoever it is that you love and you really want them to propose you, let's find out, will they do that or not? Will they propose you for marriage? Yes or no? Let's find out. But yeah, before I dive into the read, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Leos, let's find out, will this person propose you? Yes or no? Let's find out. Nine of Swords. They're very upset around this connection right now, whoever it is that you're dealing with. There are people in their life who are influencing them to the point where they stop, expecting much from this connection. They have been hurt, they have been on the waiting side, and now the people in their life are like, no, it's never going to happen. They will never propose you. They will never, do this and that. They will never give into connection with you. So it seems like, they are losing their hope around this connection. They are somebody, maybe, like, they are willing to be with you, but maybe you are the one who is holding yourself back in this connection, because it seems like, this person is somebody who's fearful of losing this connection with you. So maybe they have already proposed you, and now the people in their life are definitely telling them to give up on this connection and move on in their life. So they could be considering that, because it's something which is definitely corrupting their mind now. So if you ask me, will this person propose you? They might have done that already, to be very honest, because it seems like, they are on the waiting side, and they are the one who are, hurt in this connection right now. So they might be waiting on for you to commit to them. But yes, people in their life are telling them the negative stories around you and the connection that they have for you. This person is really very unhappy right now around this connection. Let's see more cards here. Seven of Cups. There's a lot of negativity in this connection, coming from the people around them or people around you, maybe. There could be some evil energies as well. Like, there is a strong chance of having some evil energies influencing this connection as well. If you could look at this picture, there is this skull, and in the first card as well, there is a lot of negativity. Like, somebody is really letting their negativity. It's more like, they are fanning their fears, basically. It's more of that energy where, you let your fears get the best of you and the situation as well. So, for some of you, maybe they have never expressed their love to you. Why? Because they are very fearful of expressing their love as well. Again, maybe because of the people, maybe because of the past that they might have had. Maybe for some of you, they have expressed their love, but then for others of you, maybe they have never expressed their love because they have very low self-esteem. Maybe they have very they believe that they are not worthy of this kind of connection. Maybe they find you as somebody who's very super hot, super perfect, and they would love to come to you, propose you, but then maybe there are people who are telling them, oh, you will always get rejection. So maybe they are not even coming forward with that proposal yet. It's going to be different for different people, but yes, I feel like, there is a lot of negative influence in this connection. There is definitely evil energies in this connection between the two of you. Trust me on that. This is like a power-packed evil energy read is what I'm picking up. There could be like, for some of you, there could be some black magic influence in your love life as well. But yes, there is something not so positive. There is something blocking this love life that you have with your person. Queen of Wands, Ace of Wands. Wow. it seems like they believe that you always find them to be so good to be in the sexual relationship, but then nothing stable, nothing beautiful, nothing fulfilling. So there could be some mental blocks as well that this person has as well. Now I feel like that there could be one's own negativity within themselves, around themselves as well, which can be a block in this connection. They might not they believe it is too good to be true for them to propose you and get a positive response. They believe that they are not worthy of you or your love. So for some of you, they have never expressed their love. For others of you, they are being told that you are so good for them, so it will never happen. And they are starting to believe that, and they are starting to kind of open themselves up to meeting, dating new people as well. So it seems like there's a lot of evil energies in this connection, kind of dictating this person and their action. So that's the reason why it's not it seems like it's not going where you want it to go. On the direct, we do have the Ace of Cups. There's a lot of love in this connection from this person's end, but yes, the evil energies are blocking this connection right now. Let me let me see one card from your end towards this person. Let's see, how do you feel for them? The Chariot, the High Priestess, Six of Wands. Wow. There are so many blocks this person has. So whoever it is that you're dealing with, I feel like if they could work on their mental stability around this connection, and plus if they could release that negative thoughts, those people out of their life who have been corrupting their mind, they will get success in this connection with you. So it's very important for them, because I feel like from your end, I don't see any negativity going towards this person, but yes, from their end, yes, there are people influencing them in a negative way. So let's see Oracle messages now. Let's see what the Oracle has to add to the read. Receive divine messages. It's very important for you to receive divine messages around this connection. Okay, let's take all these cards here. Happy changes in near future are coming for the two of you. Take care of yourself. It's very important for you or for them to take care of themselves. Believe in the miracles. Somebody really needs to believe in the miracle. Past loves, life could be a block as well for them. Don't let them take you for granted. Again, I feel like there could be some mental blocks, like maybe they feel like you always take them good enough for physical sexual stuff, but when it comes to commitment you always back off. So again, it can be their own mind telling them so, or it can be you, since you don't give much into the connection, they have those fears creeping back in, which they experienced in their love life before you. So that could be the case for some of you as well. Let's see more cards about them. Let's see what else do we have for this read. It seems like if you go and open up about your feelings towards this person, they will be happy that you propose them. But somehow seems like their mental blocks needs to remove first. Then only they will be attracting what you both desire. This person has strong love for you, but then there's a lot of negativity that they needs to get themselves rid of from. So yeah, let's see more messages. This person could be running away from truth as well. Again, they are unable to see things clearly right now. So they are basically, they are being told that stop waiting on for this person, they will never be yours. So again, there is some sort of a negative feed that they are getting from the people around them that is currently blocking them for sure. They are somebody who's very dependent on others for their happiness. Again, this person is somebody who needs to heal a lot. It's very important for them to heal. Until unless they heal, until unless they release that negative energies around themselves, trust me, you and them will never be happy together, and neither you will come back together happily. This person really needs to heal, connect themselves to the divine, and seek guidance before they could have something beautiful with you. Let's see their messages for you. Let's see what they want you to know. Don't you ever leave me. This person has a strong sense of, like, as if you're going to leave them and they are going to be left alone forever. People are corrupting their mind as well. I love talking to you all the time. They are somebody who's very much addicted to you, plus somebody who depend on you heavily for their emotional needs. Let's see a few more cards if you're dealing with an ex. Let's see what do they want you to know. You were the best thing in my life. So they are very unhappy right now. They believe that they might have lost you, again, because of their negative thoughts. I can't stop thinking about you. This person really thinks a lot about you, but again, something needs to be healed within them. Once they have healed that, trust me, the love life that you have with this person will improve. But it's very important for them to heal themselves right now. And they need to release that negative notion that they might have attached to themselves around love life situation. They believe that maybe nothing good will ever happen to them. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.